Children, in 1983, there was an intense agitation staged by all Assam Students Union and Assam Ganashangram Parishad over the question of dominance in Assam of Bengali migrants. In 1985, Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, Central Home Minister Shankar Rao Chauhan and Assamese leader Prafulla Kumar Mahanta signed an accord. Children, do you know what is an accord? An accord is an official agreement. It was decided to send the Bangladeshi citizens who had infiltrated in Assam back to their original places. In 1986, elections were held for Assam Legislative Assembly and Prafulla Kumar Mahanta of the Assam Gana Parishad became the new Chief Minister. Due to this democratic process, it became possible to establish peace in Assam. So children, dominance of Bengalis in Assam led to intense agitation by all Assam Students Union and Assam Ganashangram Parishad in 1983. According to accord signed in 1985 by the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, the Union Minister Shankar Rao Chauhan and Assamese leader Prafulla Kumar Mahanta, the infiltrated Bangladeshis were sent outside Assam. Prafulla Kumar Mahanta became the Chief Minister of Assam after the elections to Legislative Assembly held in 1986. Peace was established in Assam by following the democratic process. The next one is Arunachal Pradesh. In 1984, NEFA was created. In 1972, it began to be called Arunachal Pradesh, the region of the rising sun. On 20th February 1987, it got the status of a constituent state. So children, NEFA created in 1954 was named as Arunachal Pradesh in 1972. It became a full-fledged state on 20th February 1987 and during the period from 1960 to 2000, Northeast India has progressed towards a more mature democracy. This area is on the path of progress through industrialization, spread of education, etc. So children, Northeast region is on the path of progress through democratic process, spread of education and industrialization. Therefore, children, today I have discussed the issues concerning Northeast India. You have come to know that Northeast India consists of the 8 states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. Also, you have come to know about Mizoram, Nagaland, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh in detail. Now, you should read the topic in detail. You should go through your textbook and listen to the videos carefully. The next part of the topic, that is the Naxalite movement, communalism and regionalism, I will discuss in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.